John Deere, founded in 1837, has been a staple in agricultural machinery for nearly 2 centuries. What began with the creation of a simple plow has now evolved into a contemporary enterprise that crafts intricate and advanced equipment that is one of the major players in agricultural industry. Today we're taking you behind the scenes of how they make their state-of-the-art tractors. John Deere's main manufacturing facility is in the United States, also known as the John Deere Harvester Works. It's located in Illinois. The 4 main headquarters are in Georgia, Iowa, Tennessee, and Wisconsin. However, as the John Deere company gained huge success, it was only logical to go international. And starting from the 1950s, the company built factories in South America, North America, Mexico, Europe, and Asia. The company goes beyond just the production of agricultural machinery like tractors and combines. They also fabricate robust construction and forestry equipment, including dump trucks, motor graders, and skidders. The manufacturing tradition has evolved with the company since blacksmith John Deere, the founder, developed the first commercial self-cleaning plow. Today, it relies on computerized systems and advanced technologies to manufacture high-quality tractors. Now let's talk about how these tractors are actually made. The process begins with designers collaborating to conceptualize new products. These marks the foundation of the entire manufacturing process. Engineers and designers work together to create detailed plans and blueprints using advanced computer-aided design, CAD software, and simulation tools. The design process involves several key considerations such as functionality and performance. Engineers analyze the specific requirements of different agricultural tasks such as plowing, harvesting, and hauling. This ensures that the tractor design can handle the demands of various farming conditions. The next one is innovation and technology. John Deere incorporates the latest technological advancements into their tractors, including precision farming tools, GPS systems, and advanced hydraulic mechanisms. The emphasis on technology enhances the tractor's efficiency and productivity. Finally, ergonomics and safety. The design team focuses on creating a user-friendly and safe operating environment. Features such as intuitive controls, comfortable seating, and effective climate control are integral to the tractor's design. Engines are the heart of the tractor. John Deere engines are known for their power, reliability, and fuel efficiency. Engine blocks and other critical parts are produced through casting and forging. The engine assembly process begins with installing the crankshaft into the engine block, followed by fitting the pistons, connecting rods, and the piston rigs. Cylinder heads are then attached, and valves, camshafts, and timing components are installed before the block and the head joining process. Gaskets are placed between the engine block and cylinder heads, oil plants, and other mating surfaces as well. An automated painting system comprised of several spray paint robots apply multiple layers of paint to achieve the desired color and thickness. After passing all the quality checks, the completed engine is packaged, secured for shipment to the vehicle assembly line. Components are assembled into sub-assemblies such as frames, hydraulic systems, and control mechanisms. This modular approach allows for easy integration into the final tractor assembly. Workers are assigned to specific substations and tasks and carry them out continuously to all tractor sub-assemblies passing through. The skilled workers then carefully assemble and install components such as blades, discs, and seed meters and sprayer booms onto the main frame. The assembly process typically begins with the frame and chassis, involving welding, shaping, and assembling the main structural components of the tractor. During the welding process, custom-designed tooling devices called welding fixtures are then used to securely hold the components in place. The transmission system allows the tractor to change speeds and power various attachments. The parts such as engine, transmission, axle, suspension systems, steering mechanisms, braking systems, fuel tanks, and other functional parts are mounted onto the chassis, which is essentially the vehicle's center of gravity and its structural backbone, providing support to all other components. During the installation process, precision is crucial to ensure that components are aligned correctly and fit snugly onto the chassis. The components are fastened onto the chassis using bolts, nuts, screws, welds, and other fastening methods. John Deere's Transmissions Machine Shop is a specialized facility dedicated to manufacturing, assembly, and maintenance on transmissions for John Deere equipment. Skilled technicians and operators in the machine shop are responsible for assembling the manufactured transmission components into complete transmission units. CNC machines, lathes, milling machines, and grinding equipment are used to produce gears, shafts, housing, and other transmission parts to exact specifications. The engine and transmissions are connected through a bell housing, which is a cylindrical housing that connects the engine to the transmission through the torque converter.
Once the surface is primed, the implement then enters the paint booth, where colored paint application takes place. Once painted and cured, it is then undergoes through quality inspection to ensure that the paint finish meets the high quality standards set by John Deere. Next up is the marriage process, where electrical connections and mechanical linkages are made between the cabin and the chassis system. The hydraulic system, which consists of hydraulic pumps, valves, and cylinders, are connected to various functions like the lift arms and steering. The electrical systems are installed, including wiring harnesses, control panels, and sensors. The process then moves on to the installation of the operator's cabin, seating, and interior components. Depending on the type of the tractor, this stage involves installing specific parts. Seating quality has been substantial improvement compared to the past. Many seats now incorporate features like heating, shock absorption, and other amenities, enhancing the ability for individuals to work comfortably for extended periods of time. Interior assembly involves integrating the instrument panel, controls, ergonomic features for the operator's comfort and convenience. Optional attachment and accessories such as plows, harrows, and loaders are fitted to the tractor. The phase also includes the installation of safety features like lights and mirrors. Again, after the tractor is fully assembled, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure that all components function correctly and meet quality standards specifically. The engine transmissions are tested for performance, including acceleration, power output, and smooth operation. The electrical systems of the tractors are checked to verify proper wiring, connectivity, and functionality. A hydraulic system that controls functions like steering and lifting is tested to ensure proper operations and responsiveness. Road testing involves taking the machinery out of the production facility and onto actual roads or test tracks to evaluate its performance and real-world conditions. Once the tractor has passed all quality control tests, it moves to the painting and finishing phase. The tractor surface is cleaned and prepared for painting. Any areas that should not be painted are masked off to ensure precision. A primer coat is applied to prepare the surface for painting, and the tractor is painted with the iconic John Deere green and yellow. Multiple coats are applied to ensure even coverage. As important part of the detail process is the application of decals, model labels, safety stickers, and other visual markings of the manufacturer. And that's pretty much how the next generation tractors are made. John Deere produces comprehensive range of tractors, from compact utility tractors for small scale operations to high horsepower row crop tractors for large farms. By integrating advanced technology, precise engineering, and rigorous quality control, they continue to produce tractors that set the standard performance and reliability in the agricultural industry. The result is a range of tractors that not only meet but also exceed the expectations of modern farmers and agricultural professionals. Thank you for joining us behind the scenes tour. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. See you next time.